Alright, so nothing to lose. Not one thing to lose. Our next game is versus Venezuela. They're on top of the group, so I don't think there's much expected of us. Fun enough, let me show you how strange it is. In this particular group, in the group in itself, Venezuela is the lowest ranked team. And as it stands, they're on the top of the group. You would know the FIFA ranking really relevant sometime. But initially people would think that, we're the worst team in our group. Is that so actually? Is that so? But yet still, the lowest ranked team in the group is a team that is at the top of the table. Jamaica will be playing against Venezuela, which most would say probably Venezuela is going to get 3 points. And Mexico will be playing against Ecuador. That is going to be an interesting matchup. Mexico, a must-win game for both teams. And both of those teams are on 3 points. Venezuela is on 6 points. Jamaica on 0 points. Anyways, at the end of the day, for us, we are in a different category for ourselves. We are out of the competition officially. We are officially out of the competition. We cannot advance again. And the mere fact that we cannot advance again, this is now the opportunity for Al Grimson to be brave. Be brave. Be brave. And what do I mean by that? We'll be getting to that. Anyways, let's do the YouTube stuff. Thank you very much again, people, for joining. Massive respect. Welcome back to MG Sports TV. And hopefully you guys are having a wonderful morning. And have a wonderful good afternoon, good day, good night, whichever times when you're watching this on. Ever times when they come across your timeline. And for that to happen, you guys, for more persons to see it, you guys have to most definitely hit the like button. Because, all the people are watching the video, but for some reason now hit the like button. I would thoroughly appreciate it if you do so. If not, if you don't like the video, dislike it. Simple as that. Anyways, my apologies. I never want to go off track. I never want to go, I stay on track. I'm going to leave that for the next video. I'm going to leave that talking point for the next video. Anyways, so hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, all the YouTube stuff, share content, wherever. Just thank you very much for just the support. And let's go straight into it now. We're going to have a little discussion on the players we have, or the players that we've seen playing so far. What we'd like to see and how things are going so far. One, things are not going well. That's for sure. Al Grimson, as per negative tactics, we are now negatively out. But this is an opportunity now for Al Grimson to make a bold move. You know what? Who haven't we seen much of so far? Kyle Dixon, Cephas, Keroy Anderson. Who else we can say? And maybe some of the players that who are on the fringes, bring on, but they never really fully get the opportunity to fully express themselves. Now, for this game, I strongly believe that because the mere fact that we do not have anything to lose. Win, lose or draw, we're packing our things and coming home. Win, lose or draw, packing our things. I do understand that you'd want to leave on a positive note. So maybe going there defensively and try to nick a 1 goal and get a 3 points and come home with 3 points. Probably in your favor. And that would be some level of success. Some level of success. But what does that actually do? It does that bolster the ego rather than giving some of the other players that are trying to break into the team an opportunity to see what they can do and to see what you could have done with them. That's the question. No, this is the problem that I'm going to have. If Al Grimson decide that, I'm going to use some of the younger players, they go out and express themselves and get a result, you're going to have a person says, why shouldn't we should have done this long time before? Then I go people say, boy, Venezuela, so it's not that tough. And funny enough, Venezuela top a group, so that wouldn't even, that sentiment wouldn't even count. But at the end of the day, this is a perfect opportunity for Coach Himir, for the Reggae Boyz, for Jamaica Reggae Boyz head coach Emir Al-Grimson to step out time shell and put more attacking players on the pitch. Now, let's say and go for a 4-2-3-1. Don't do the 4-4-2. The two striker thing, now work. It now work. It now work. Unfortunately. If you say I try pull it, you really push it now work. Say you go on 4-2-3-1 or 4-3-3. Even if you go 4-4-2, one of the strikers them. So give now mosquito. Give now the opportunity. About me now. Give now the opportunity to players, some of the young players that you didn't get the opportunity to see. Not all of them, you still want to start the core players. So let me give you an idea. Jamal waiting goal. Lemby Keys at right back, still remain. Left back Greg Lay. Centre back Piran, let's remain it. Let's keep it the same. Let's say Ethan Pinnock and Bernard. Right wing. If you go Bobby Reed, left wing Cephas. Don't think that's difficult. I don't think that's difficult. In the midfield, Damian Lowe. If you don't want to start Damian Lowe, Casey Palmer and Kera Anderson. Put Kera Anderson, man. Let go the youth, make him get the opportunity now. This is a perfect opportunity. We not play for nothing. Just like a pride. And the pride not bigger than the opportunity to give these youngsters some run out so that we can show them offer coming September when the World Cup qualifiers come up. Because if we don't show them can do now, September, it makes sense to call them back September. If we have all these young talents on in the team, I want to give them opportunity to go out and play. It makes sense to call them September then. It makes sense to call back the old heads that will consistently use September. It don't make no sense. And then now, by 2026, when the old heads them all now, and no, it's gone, what we do? Because we never give the youngsters any opportunity to go on, run out, and go and express themselves. In Kera, Anderson, Dixon, Cephas. But we have to give these youngsters, we have to give them the opportunity to go out there and express themselves, get acquainted to playing with the team, so that when the time is come for them to come into the team and give us something, they don't feel neglected, they don't feel as if they're not match ready, they're not match sharp, they don't feel a particular way. Yes, they are professionals, but in the idea, if the team consistently play without them, what do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen? So, Algrams, come out of the shell. Please come out of the shell. As I said, in the midfield, we don't say probably Casey Palmer and Kera Anderson. Up front, one of the strikers them. Either Antonio or Boza and have Demar Gray. People, the last game I'm playing 11 touches. Boza having a whole game, 11 touches. The two of them now, we not work. It's just not working. It's not working. Mr. Antonio defend in a left back position. No. I think we can do better than that. Let's see us going forward. The second half of the Ecuador game. Let's go and express ourselves. People are going to say, boy, we'll get beaten 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we still lose. If you get beaten 10, in tournament, you drop out losing 10. Or you drop out losing 1. You're gone here, same way. We still lose. We still lose. If you lose, if you get beaten losing 4-0, and you go expansive, or you try something, you try to spread the wings. I say, all right, good. These are how we concede our goals. Because the right side here is a lapse. The defensive structure on the left side was never cohesive enough. The defensive pair and the two centre back never cohesive enough. The central midfielder, the only midfielder, the defensive midfielder never drop back in the pocket fast enough. But when time you play the whole 90 or 90% of the game, I defend, and you still concede and you still lose. What you can't fix something this, you know? Because you already defend and you still concede. What more can you fix? Even if you are the best set of defenders them and you still defend and still concede, you're going to have a problem. You will be in problem. Because you're not going to have no solution of coming out of that defensive block. None whatsoever. So, Lego shackles them, Algrams. May I beg you. Lego shackles them. Please. Please. Lego the shackles them. Give the youngsters the opportunity to go out there and express themselves. Give the players them the opportunity to go out there and express themselves. I mean, no people come in the comment section and tell me who not ready from who them believe not ready. If they're never ready, the coach wouldn't bring them. If they're never ready, the coach wouldn't call them to the squad. So don't tell me no crap about who not ready from who this whatever. Don't tell me no crap. If they're never ready, if Al Grimson never deemed them ready, he would not have called them. So, anyways, people, big up on yourself. Massive respect, people. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're here. Link in the description. You can definitely buy us a coffee. Would totally appreciate it if you do so. And I'll see you guys again. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Should Al Grimson leggo the handbrake and make the Reggae Boyz skate on the toll? Al Grimson, leggo the handbrake, man, and make the Reggae Boyz and skate on the toll. Park in the bus, that can't skate. If you park the bus can't skate. Make them skate, man. Make it big yellow bus, man. Make it skate, man. Make it black, green, and gold. Skate. Make it skate away, people. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. And God bless. We're out. Boom. Keep boys and skate on the tour.